kami ni Cheyenne. Naghahanda kami ng ang tawag dito, ng ipamerienda namin at dinner. Tawag dito pa?
Hangout.
Hindi ko masabi ba. So, dahil dalaga na siya, nagdadalaga na siya, ang hiling niya, mag-hangout sila ng mga kaibigan niya, mga kaklase niya, sa school, mga close friend niya. So, sabi nila, maglalakad daw sila doon sa bridge. May maganda kasing view. Malapit lang naman dito guys, malapit sa church na maliit. So, sabi nila, nagpaalam itong babae sa amin at saka sa daddy niya, can I invite my friend? We just hang out, we talk. Alam nyo, mag-picnic daw sila, magkain ng mga alam nyo. So, okay, sabi ko naman, kasi mahirap din naman guys kung hindi siya payagan. Alam naman natin na. Sabi ko, okay, sabi ko, kasi syempre, nagdadalaga na siya and kailangan niya din naman. So, yun, pinayagan ko siya. Pinayagan din ni Mr. Nagpaalam nga sa amin eh. And then, gusto ko din ma-meet yung mga kaibigan niya, yung sinasabi niyang close friends sa school. Alam niyo kasi, wala pa akong, dalawa pa lang ang nakikita kong kaibigan niya. And then yung iba,
Some you won't, there's more but they won't come. Like we're like 6 or 7. 7 including me. We're 6.
You are 6?
6 without me, don't include me.
6.
We're more, so they can't come. One, she said that she has her auntie or uncle's birthday that is getting
engaged.
Something.
Anniversary yumkin. Wedding anniversary. Okay. So, wait. So, ang gusto ni siya na i-prepare ko is Filipino food.
They will eat it at night. You know, my friend, she's my friend's friend, and I haven't met her online, but I will meet her in real life. She's my friend. She likes Filipino stuff.
Filipino food.
She likes Asian food.
How
Her name is Patricia.
How she knew about the Filipino food?
She follows like me, Korean.
She is fans for Filipino. Which one she like, yani? Which actress in Philippines?
She likes kill Asian. Like she watches Chinese drama, K-drama, Filipino. Like she like me.
Okay.
The food she likes.
The one you said, marry her neighbor, Filipina?
No, not this one. She can't come.
Okay lah, if she cannot come.
No, the other one, she's fully Lebanese. She likes like that.
She like Philippine food. Okay.
How do you make like that?
Wait, I will teach you that one. So, ang gusto ni siya yan, spring roll daw. Na yung lumpia ba? Dito naman, gumagawa sila ng ganun guys, yung spring roll. Cheese roll. O yung mostly na natitikman ko na roll nila is cheese roll. So, ipatikin natin ang veggie roll, vegetable roll ba? Yung yung sa atin ba? Simple lang yung ilagay ko kasi yung kaibigan niya daw hindi sila kumakain ng karne. So, lalagyan ko vegetable siya. Igisa ko lang yung carrots at saka yung tawag nito, yung cabbage, and then ganun na. So, yun. Cut first this one. Tulungan niya daw ako. So, sige, why not? Hindi na ako magluluto ng pang-lunch namin kasi meron pa kaming natira kahapon. So, yun. Yeah. Sabi ko, kayo na lang kakain, magluto lang ako. Sabi niya, kasali daw ako, kakain din daw ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, okay. Kaya yun.
And you can make vlog.
Ay! Tumpa na. Yan, tulungan niya daw ako si ate. Ganun tayo. May kuryente naman. Thank God. May kuryente.
Don't go to the...
No, the generator.
Don't.
So, bumili ako ng tubig. Itong binili ko guys. Gagawin kong pansit. Yung bihon ba? Ito, nakabili kami siya yung supermarket. Hobe siya. Masarap ito. Galing sa Philippines. Yes.
I want them to try the Philippines.
Bulacan, Marilao, Bulacan. Product of the Philippines. Alam, nakakatuwa pag nakakabasa ako ng Philippines na sa food ko. Ayun. natin ang mga kaibigan ni Cheyenne ng Filipino, ano ba, merienda ba yun? Merienda yun, Filipino food. Like this, Mama Bachoy, okay? Make like this.
This one doesn't cut.
Like this. Okay? Like that.
Oh. Now I'm good.
Like this. I will put in the pancit and then in the spring roll.
Okay. Don't make the chicken too big.
Okay. Like this, okay?
Okay.
Be careful your hands. Ganyan mo. Okay. Ano tayo? Nice. Yes, but be careful your hands. What you doing?
I'm doing the arabic.
Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
Yeah. Potatoes I have to drench your chicken. So this is how I do the action. No, I'm tired of the carrots. Can you take my job?
So anyway, ayan, naluto ko na yung pang spring roll natin. Nilagyan ko ng ground beef. Ayan, ginisa ko lang sa bawang yung butter. Tama na ito siguro sa isang pack. Hi guys, tapos na kaming kumain, and then tapos na din akong nag-prepare ng tawag ito yung spring onion para sa bisita ni Cheyenne, and then mamaya magluluto ako ng bihon. Yung bihon natin ba, style bihon, Filipino style ba, kasi mga kaibigan ni Cheyenne gusto nila daw i-try ang tawag nito, kaibigan ni Cheyenne gusto daw nila i-try ang some Filipino food, yung like alam nyo, snacks, merienda ba. Hi guys, andito na ang mga friend ni Cheyenne. Where are they? Dito na sila mamaya. Wait lang, tignan ko sila. Diyos ko, ang hirap. Mga dalaga ang bisita ng anak ko. Wait lang. Ang sarap yung pakiramdam ba nakikita mo yung anak mo na may mga kaibigan, ganyan. So, ayan, nag-jamming sila. Magluluto na ako ng break merienda nila. Yung bihon nga. Ikatat ko si Mr. kasi, syempre, tinatanong niya kung andito na yung mga friends niya, ganyan. Sabi ni Mr. Sabihin mo, magdilim sila na uuwi ba? 7, andito na ulit sila. Nagka-chat ko si Mr. guys. Okay. Ayan, sa magluluto. Wait, kausapin ko lang sila guys. Ewan kung okay sila i-vlog kasi baka mamaya hindi sila. Wait lang. Kausapin ko sila. Umalis na sila. Wait, ipakita ko sa inyo. Sabi ko, wag maglakad-lakad sila. Ayun na sila, maglalakad na. Saan na kaya punta? Ayun na sila. Yun, mga kasama ni Shayan. Kita niyo bang ingay-ingay nila? Bye-bye. Be careful! Ay, Allah. Ingay-ingay nila ba? Okay, itong mga dala nila. Ilagay ko lang dito. Ang kukunin nila mamaya. Ano ito? Dito sila umupo. Oh, binigay nila kay Shayen. Mamaya hindi naman sa akin to. Lagay natin dyan, baka naiwan. Nagdadalaga na talaga si Shayen. Hindi na mapigilan. Ako, umaalis na siya. Gusto niya akong sumama. Sabi ko, wag anak. Lakad nyo ng mga friend mo. Okay lang, basta wag lang malayo ba. Dito lang naman sila guys, sa area namin, sa stadium. Maglakad-lakad sila, kumuha sila ng snacks, alam nyo. May isa na kaibigan niya na ang nanay is Pilipina. Tapos, namit ko kasi yung mga iba nilang parents, yung may parents ng kaibigan niya, hinatid. Yung isa, nakikita ko sa church. Tignan nyo naman, small world. Sabi niya, anak mo pala yung kaibigan ng anak ko. Ganon-ganon na siya. Tapos kilala niya yung dito sa may kapitbahay namin. Oo, kasi nung kabataan, ay nung age din daw ni Shayen, nakikipaglaro daw siya ng football. Ala, small world, ano, mga anak ba? Tapos kilala niya si Mr. Sabi niya, kalaro ko yung Mr. mo nung bata ako, nung alam nyo. Ala, kakatuwa. Hindi rin nakakilala ni Mr. Si Mr. kasi wala siya ngayon. Sabi niya, gusto mong makita ng Mr. mo nasaan siya. Sabi ko, nasa trabaho. Sabihin mo, ganito ang name ko. Baka maalala niya ako, kalaro ko siya nung bata siya. Ganun siya. Sabi ko naman, okay. Yun. Na magluto na tayo guys. Mamaya ulit. Andito. 4:30 na for ano, mga 7 babalik sila. Okay lang kasi safe naman dito sa area namin. No problem. Hi guys, andito ng mga dalagita. So gumagawa ako ng smoothie. Nagluluto pa lang ako ba. Hi guys, itong iserve ko sa kanila. Shake, mango shake and banana. Tapos nilagyan ko ng sago. 6 sila. So, pang 7 si Kian. Tama ba? 3, 6. 6 lang pala ang ginawa ko. Ano na kay Kian? Gagawa na ako may ng juice. Yan, sige, serve natin. Yan ko lang, ganyan talaga. So, ito na yung bihon natin, guys. I-serve na natin. And ito yung merienda. Hi, ladies! Hi, ladies! You know this food? Yes, it's hot! It's hot! Wait. Yeah, wait. Hello!
I'm eating most. Bye!
Yan. For who this one?
No one.
No one? No.
No, thank you.
Siya yan.
No! No! I said no!
Yan, I will give you, she's more. Give me idol the cup. So,
I have chopsticks.
chopstick? No.
I will help you. You want your chopstick?
Cup of coffee. Okay, that's enough. Alright. It's amazing. Okay, what is this? Actually burning something. Come on in. This cartoon logic is gonna make your face bust. Okay, what you see? Here we have earphones logic. You know, he's wearing a pair of headphones here at the top, but they're definitely on his head, but not on his ears. What if he had like if I was wearing this like this? Now I can't hear you. What? Oh, I can't. Naked all day. Well, you don't want to be inappropriate at the beach. You should be naked at home. Inappropriate to be not wearing anything. T-Rex steak. The Brontosaurus bone. And the crocodile entity. I don't want to believe that. Okay, you can believe whatever you want to believe. But since you are the love of his life, forgets what you look like and has to put a shoe on every girl on the king. True. Yeah, that's not a good look, buddy boy.
No, it's just weird.
No, like it. What the freak? No, hello. Like it. Mariam. She actually like it, Mariam. What the freak? هيدا الليدر. like هيدا أرشلو هيدا. هيدا أنا انتو يو ار. أو هيدا مثلا. بقي ولا واحد. في سنة واحد. Please روحي الأحد. لو كيف؟ what the freak? Wow, guys!
No, it's a cabbage. Cabbage. Malfu.
I'm the morning.
Ala, why you put Choi? Give it. Cheyenne, you put Choi to her.
She wants to taste first. Chicken Kaufman.
Yalla, I will bring you juice. Give me this one. No, you finish? I will bring you juice. Yeah.
Not me devouring the plate.
Wow, guys, I'm really watching
What is it? No, lubie. Beans. Green. Yeah.
بس ما بتعرف قلت لك قالوبيا قلت لها هيدا فلافل وبستهبل لا هيدا الفلافل قالوا لك بيناتهم اللوبيا خلص
Lubie, beans.
بيناتهم فلافل
ما حد عم بحط حمض غيره؟
لا أنا
ما حطيت
أنا ماشية I'm eating the plate I'm the boring
I'm the boring
انت مشيت عادي.
ايه ما تغدى
That is embarrassing. With a capital E.
Ladies, can I take your picture? It's alright. I will send it to Cheyenne and she will send it to you.
noodles with chopstick chopstick noodles with chopstick
Yeah,
مش هالأصابع
you want more? Put a baby.
ادينا هدول ادينا كيف بدنا عزيزي باخذ الدنيا
It's not on. I wanted to say hello. I swear to God, don't talk what's to it.
Take it, please. Mommy. Ayan, umalis na sila. Umuwi na sila. 8 o'clock na kasi. Ako palang kakain pa lang ako ng ganito.
my legs hurt.
So, you're having fun?
Yeah. So like we sit there and on the bridge was the other side. We ate, we chatted,
But the mom of Patricia, where she is?
She was there, she was following us.
Oh.
She was following us. But she wasn't with us. She parked her car and stayed inside the car.
Mm.
And then then she went out and she did something and she came back.
Mm.
And then we said, I saw that it was almost 7 o'clock.
Mm.
Which 7, I don't know.
But when she entered here, where she is? She parked here?
She parked on it.
She's waiting, yani?
She already told her that 6 o'clock or I don't know, after dinner.
So, you having fun, yani?
Yes.
Show me picture in your phone. You take picture?
Andra, but it's with Kian.
Deal to me. I wanna see.
Kian, give me my phone. Mommy wants it.
Ayun. Masaya na siya kasi na-invite na niya ang kaibigan niya.
Your makeup, how many years now? Best mascara though. Hi, you should be happy I won't touch your hair anymore.
No, but don't put hala makeup. It's too early.
Only mascara I put.
Say hi. I say thank you.
I did.
She reply?
Yeah.
She
Said you're
said,
welcome, my love. My first time meeting her, by the way. I thought she was short.
But you are chatting before.
We chat before, but she likes K-pop like me. That's why my friend introduced me to her, and we became close friends because of K-pop. Ma'ana Shirley, we became friends because of K-pop.
Oh, really?
Shirley, she introduced me to Stray Kids. Stray Kids, not Blackpink. I was a K-pop fan from before I met her. But when I discovered she liked K-pop, I told her I like K-pop. We became friends, Karen.